bintana mo ma'am para makapit ka.
Have you guys seen this?
Paano ba na ano to, my island?
Ano po? Zoom?
May susu.
Ayun, sa taas.
Yeah. It was believed that this area was immersed in water millions of years ago. Kasi ang composition po ng limestones and marbles, they are seashells and corals.
Anong tawag dito?
This is emerged, not submerged, emerged in water. It means it came out, popped out of the water.
Anong tawag dito?
Karst mountain. And lately, the the official discoverer or researchers of this area is the La Venta group of Italy. So lately, they have discovered that inside that mountain are hundreds of caves.
Caves?
Yes. But it was not yet, it is not yet accessible to local tourists because mahirap puntahan yung cave. So hard to go to the caves. You need to do spelunking and everything, crawling and sliding and climbing.
Ayun, mga expert na ano yan.
They are of the official explorer of the Seven Wonders.
Ang ganda, no? Di ba yung ano niya?
Limestone.